Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Asnrc C15 dashcam front and rear, Asnrc dashcam front and rear. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because it consists of the following features: 4K plus 2K dual recording. Asnrc C15 dashcam front and rear camera brings you the dual camera, which can record videos with up to Ultra HD 4K plus 2K resolution. It helps you read front and rear vehicle number plates, road signs, oncoming pedestrians, and other critical details on the road. Provides a 170 degrees wide angle front camera and a 150 degrees wide angle rear camera to monitor the front and rear of the vehicle, achieving maximum road vision coverage to ensure safe driving. Built-in 5G Wi-Fi and app control. Asnrc C15 wireless dashcam with built-in 5G Wi-Fi and app control, providing efficient speed and convenience. View and edit dashcam videos on your iOS/Android devices. Download 4K UHD videos instantly and share them on social media. Share the best moments of your trip with friends. Use advanced 5G Wi-Fi to enjoy an efficient and convenient user experience. 24-hour parking mode and super night vision. When the vehicle is parked, the car camera, front and rear dashcam automatically switches to parking mode to provide monitoring and protection. And the recording mode continuously records with minimal power consumption and low frame rate, providing continuous protection for the car. It requires an additional ACC hardwire kit. Built-in f1.5 super large aperture, you can clearly capture details even in low-light environments. Loop recording and G-sensor. Asnrc C15 dual dashcams for cars will automatically overwrite the oldest video when the memory is full, ensuring continuous recording. Equipped with a built-in G-sensor, when a collision event is detected on the road, it will automatically lock the clip and protect the relevant video, ensuring that it will not be overwritten during loop recording, providing you with strong evidence. Car camera with GPS. The dashcam front and rear wireless with GPS, you can view real-time speed and direction on the 3-inch IPS wide camera screen. You can also view your exact location, speed, and route on the app. It provides you with strong evidence when necessary and escorts your travel at any time. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.